Amazon sellers, I'm going to talk to you today straight from our litigation department about a case that's coming up for trial where an Amazon seller's product allegedly caused personal injuries. Okay, Amazon sellers, so many of you know this, some of you may not, but before pivoting into Amazon, I spent a lot of time in personal injury litigation. I've always represented entrepreneurs, even starting when I was still in law school, okay? But in addition to representing entrepreneurs, I was the trial lawyer in personal injury cases, in medical malpractice cases, and right now we're gearing up for a trial where our client's product allegedly caused someone to suffer pretty significant burns. So what do you do in a case like this? Well, number one, if any claims are brought against you and you have insurance, contact your insurance company, contact your broker. And if you're watching this and you don't have insurance, contact Ashlyn Haddon as soon as this video is over and make sure you get insurance. Number two, if you're paying out of pocket, you want to do some math, okay? And the math is basically this. What is it going to cost me to defend this case versus how much can I settle it for? Now, you may not want to pay someone who you think is just full of it. And if you can settle the case for a very, very low amount, okay, and your legal fees to win the case are high, you also want to watch your exposure in case to see, well, how much money might a jury award to this person, even if I didn't do anything wrong? And keep those numbers in mind when you are figuring out what to do in terms of your decisions as a business person if you get sued. So, what are the takeaways? One, if you get sued and you have insurance, notify the insurance company. They'll provide a lawyer to defend you and you will never have to write me a check. And in fact, at least one major carrier in the United States comes to us to defend Amazon sellers who have insurance. Number two, if you don't have insurance, contact Ashlyn Haddon right now and get yourself an insurance policy. Number three, if you find yourself in litigation, I want you to think dispassionately, okay, without emotion, about the cost of litigation versus how much you might be able to settle the claims against you and wrap it all up so you can get back into the business of selling products on Amazon and thriving and making money and getting yourself outside of the courthouse.